I'm going to ask you the one question, and the most of you will answer the same. What is the success? Success is all about the having money. Success is about having the big house. Success is about having the big car. Success is about having the big bank balance. No. For some people, maybe they define success as having a good health. For some people, success is having a variety of food every day. For some people, the success is traveling around the globe. And for some people, the success is having nothing but be thankful to Allah. Which one are you? You guys need to think about it. I'm going to tell you about the 5 qualities which one person must have in their life, in their habits, in their day-to-day life. Because I don't want my viewers to regret after a few years, after some time, wish we could have information about those top 5 qualities and we missed it out. So I'm going to tell all of my viewers the top 5 qualities today, which I want all of you to know so that you guys never regret in your life. Before we talk about these top 5 qualities, guess who am I? Yes, you're right. I must appreciate my viewers' intelligence. I'm MuMM, international motivation speaker, business research analyst, and your own business coach. Yes, you heard it right, your own business coach. So the quality number 1, which you guys need to improve, it is the arm length theory. That means anything can be improved. Never think you are limitless. Never use the approach with the boundaries. Never think. Go beyond the limitation. Do what other people think you can't do. You can do it. Remember that. And let me give you one example for this. Long time back ago, decades back, if the people, they have lived their life with the limited approaches, trust me, we would have never got today airplanes, the cars, rockets, trains, smartphones, laptops, AirPads, whatsoever, smartwatches, so many things in the world. There were all those people who used this approach of thinking limitless. Go beyond everyone's imaginations because you can do it and you will do it. Remember my word. Second is a supreme quality for all my viewers to have in their life. That is, determined mind is more important than the intelligent mind. Any person who has 100% determination and 100% intelligent mind, I promise you, sooner or later, he or she will be successful. Any person who has 100% intelligence and less determination, his success chances are lower. Any person who has 100% determination but less intelligence level, his success possibilities are still higher. He or she can do it. He or she will smack it. He or she will be successful in any field, unlike technical field, honestly. Determination will get them through. Let me give you an example of one of the person on earth who has used 100% determination and 100% is intelligent mind, and that is Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla Industries. And the third quality is to think long term. Never take short-term decisions in your life. Never. Remember my one word. Your short-term decisions will give you the short-term rewards. Think about the long-term decisions and they will give you the long-lasting results. I promise you with this. And the fourth quality I want my viewers to have in their life. Always think open-minded. Try to create win-win situations. I know most of you people always create win-win situations for the people you love. You know what I mean? Otherwise, you don't care about anyone else, you know. The fifth and last quality I want all of my viewers to have in their life. Simply act. Just not think. Simply act. You do it. You can do it. Remember my words. You need to decide. Either you want to say day one or you want to say one day. This is what you need to decide. Whatever the success you're gonna have, remember one thing: 1% idea matters, 1% only, and the 99% is the perspiration. So whatever the success you see in the world, the idea has only 1% weightage, and the 99% perspiration is on the back of that success. So whatever idea you have, remember, execute it. Just do it today. Rather than saying from tomorrow, do it today. You can do it. You know that. You know what I mean? So I hope you have loved my video. You have found it quite informative and useful information for yourself, for all the people around your circle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You know what I mean? You can do it. Just smack it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.